The first app I want to talk about is Notion, which I cannot recommend enough. It is a free application in which you can make notes, databases, and so much more. I use Notion for a wide variety of things, from my studies to my general life, such as keeping track of my expenses, keeping a diary of the vitamins I take, for example. The thing I love about Notion is that it is so easy to use, and the app is extremely user-friendly as well, so I would highly recommend checking Notion out. Second is Unidays, which is a free discount website that is available to students worldwide. You can get discount deals on products and services, and it has helped me immensely to save money. There are so many different categories, from fashion, technology, food. I highly recommend checking it out because you can find some amazing deals on there. Most stores give you a discount code to use online, and in store you mostly just have to show your account. Third is Forest, which is a timer that helps you stay focused by planting a tree which will grow as you are working. You can choose from a wide variety of different trees, and the highest time that you can set a session for is 120 minutes. The reason as to why I love Forest so much is because you can restrict certain apps. So for example, if I'm trying to go into Snapchat, it will tell me to get back to the session and complete it. I know for some people that is a great idea, and not for some, as people do use their phones to work. And if you want to end the session before, then your tree will die. So I think it's a great app to try and keep you motivated. Next is TickTick, which is an app that I used for around 4 years when I was in school. It's a simple app that basically allows you to make to-do lists, really. It also includes a calendar and allows you to change colors. You can also prioritize tasks, so they will show in order of how important they are. Overall, a nice, simple app without any complicated features. If there is one app that has helped me the most with being a student, it has to be Alarmy. I have an extremely difficult time getting out of bed, even if I've had 8 hours of sleep. Alarmy has many different features which require you to get out of bed. My favourite one is the barcode feature, as I save the barcode of my shampoo. So when the alarm goes off in the morning, I need to get up, go to my bathroom, scan the barcode, and then the alarm will turn off. And the good thing is that you can disable turning off the phone or even uninstalling the app. If you have a hard time getting out of bed, this is definitely the app for you. Next is Duolingo, which is an app that allows you to learn languages for free. I think Duolingo is absolutely amazing. I used it a few years ago to learn a little bit of Japanese, and I had so much fun. If you want to learn a language, I would highly recommend Duolingo to get started with. There are also so many languages to choose from, so there is something for everyone.
Wasser. Brot und Wasser.
Next is Quizlet, which is a popular one for many, and it has also helped me immensely. It is a study application that allows you to revise various topics via games, tests, and flashcards. It makes studying much more enjoyable, and the good thing is that a lot of people have already made flashcards for a particular topic, so you can just search them up, and I've personally saved so much time by using other people's. Next is Your Hour, which tracks your screen time, but there's so many other cool features. For example, it also tracks how much time you spend on one app, and there is a timer which you can enable which shows on the screen. Once you have gone over the time, it will tell you. If you spend too much time on your phone and want to reduce your screen time, then this is a great app to get started. Next is Pomodoro, which is very similar to Forest but with a much more simple design. You can set your Pomodoro to as high as you like, which is something you can't do in Forest because the limit is 120 minutes over there. And yeah, you can change the colors as well, and if you want something very simple, then this is definitely the app for you. The last app is Habits, which I have used for so many years. If you have started a new habit and want to keep a track of how well you're doing, this is definitely an app that I can't recommend enough. You can personalize it as well, change colors, and it just shows you in graphs as well how well you're doing. Overall, a very good app. That brings me to the end of the video. Let me know down below in the comments which apps you find most useful, and I'll see you in my next one.